Understanding replacing annuals in gardening. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting topic in the world of gardening: replacing annuals. Whether you're a green thumb or just starting your gardening journey, this concept is crucial for keeping your garden vibrant and full of life throughout the year. Let's dive into the colorful world of annual plants and learn how to replace them to keep your garden in constant bloom. Annuals are plants that complete their life cycle, from germination to seed production, within 1 year. After they fulfill their purpose, they die off. This life cycle means you'll need to plant new ones each year. Examples include marigolds, petunias, and pansies. They are known for their bright colors and ability to bloom all season long, making them popular choices for adding instant beauty to gardens. Now you might wonder, why should we replace annuals? The key reason is their 1-year life cycle. Once they have bloomed and set seeds, they won't perform as well. By replacing annuals each year or season, you ensure your garden remains a vibrant showcase of colors and textures. It's also a great opportunity to introduce new plant varieties and refresh the design of your garden. Choosing the right time. The best time for replacing annuals is at the start of the growing season, which can vary depending on your local climate. Generally, it's after the last frost in spring or during fall when temperatures are cooler. Selecting new annuals. When selecting new annuals, consider color schemes. Choose colors that complement each other and your existing garden. Height and texture. Mix and match different sizes and textures for a dynamic look. Local climate. Ensure the plants you choose can thrive in your local weather conditions. Planting techniques. Prepare the soil. Remove old plants and loosen the soil. Enrich it with compost or fertilizer for better plant growth. Proper spacing. Give each plant enough space to grow. Overcrowding can lead to poor air circulation and disease. Watering and care. Regularly water your new annuals and monitor their health, removing any dead or diseased parts promptly. Replacing annuals is a wonderful way to keep your garden lively and fresh throughout the year. It allows you to experiment with different colors, textures, and designs, making gardening an ever-evolving and creative hobby. I hope this video helps you in your gardening adventures, and you feel ready to bring new life to your garden with beautiful annuals. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.